Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites, signed in Google account and edit access in Notion. Once done, choose Embed versus Sync. Embed is quicker, Sync gives updates. Next, open Google Calendar, select a calendar, and get the iCal link or make it public so Notion can access it. Make sure you copy the iCal URL to your clipboard. This is the crucial first action. The iCal link is the bridge between Google and Notion, so keep it handy before moving on. Now you decide execution, embed or integrate. For embed, create and /embed block in Notion, paste the iCal URL and resize the frame. This gives a read-only live updating view. For two-way sync, sign up for trusted sync service and authorize both Google and Notion, grant calendar scopes and Notion page access. Then map fields, title, start/end, description, so events appear correctly. Make sure to set a reasonable sync interval. Faster syncs use more API calls, so balance speed versus limits. Finish by validating. Create a test Google event and watch it appear in Notion after the sync interval. If it doesn't, first confirm the iCal link or that the calendar is shared correctly, then reauthorize the integration to refresh permissions. Make sure field mapping matches your Notion properties. Mismatches hide data. One key troubleshooting tip: check the sync tool's logs for auth or rate limit errors, revoke and reauthorize tokens when needed, and clear browser cache to fix display.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.